UPXI with sales data set announced record net revenue of about $17 million through November 30th. Papa X-ray India. Company CEO says our revenue does in combination with a robust pipeline of new products and acquisitions firmly position us to achieve the $100 million revenue projected for 2023. That's Uniform Papa X-ray India. German Parliamentary Budget Committee has approved F-35 fighter jet deal with the U.S. That's Lima Michael Tango.
morning, good morning, good morning. Chestina, AJ, Jag, SB, Bangkok. Let's do it. I am already thinking about lunch because today is the day I get my ass back on track. Been eating like poo the last week. You like my intro? It's been there every day. Not really seeing too much to look at before the bell, so gonna be a scanner day for me.
I'll keep an eye on that lie, dude. Throw that one on.
Good morning. Good luck.
Good morning and good luck, sir.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Billy looks like shit. I'm gonna take that off.
Had a 3-month trading pause and I thought you quit. Didn't know you moved from Twitch until last week. Yeah. What's up, Adley? Twitch,
seconds,
I gave it a year.
Open.
I was there for a year. It
10
didn't.
seconds,
It
boys.
wasn't worth it. I wasn't making any money from it, and it kind of forces you to be live all the time. And
I have no
I'm more
clue.
of a live for an hour and a half, 2 hours kind of guy, not all day. So it just wasn't the right fit. So I came back.
Yeah, that LI, I did like that move.
Good luck, everybody. Stay safe. Wait for your trades.
D-Dog with the push.
See that? No volume though, still.
It's gonna take a minute on that one. That's why I'm kind of hesitant, just because I know it's gonna take a minute for that volume. LI is doing nothing. KYMR is doing nothing.
Coming up at 10:30, crude and gasoline inventories.
Morning starting out about how I thought it would.
Yeah. GME, bro, there was something. GME just spiked. PDD just spiked.
And not funny, PDD is the one that I was like, oh no, that is not the one that I took off. Which one did I take off up here?
GME's going crazy.
I took Billy off. What did that do? That probably spiked because I took it off.
I'm not. A little bit, but not really when it came back down.
Yeah, I see. Not much there either.
EMND, Clearmine, Halton,
Plug is
Second
trying.
Breaker, Charlie, Michael, November, Delta.
Did you say plug?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good lord, I haven't heard that name in a long time.
Plug up.
KYMR looks like it's failing, and that SSR is just gonna kill that thing for me.
Why is dying now? PDD just died.
God. Oh wow, PDD just died.
Yeah, so it went up like 80 cents and then dropped $1.50.
PDD on watch for me.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Like a small little starter on plug.
I knew you snagged that. I wanted it, but I was like, I hesitated.
Yeah.
Ooh, PDD's volume sucks.
225
Plugs
is
is pretty good. It's not there for me yet though.
Yeah, I was looking for the 15 retests.
SPY's going up. CDNA's going up. Enough yet.
PDD all over the place.
Yeah, now it's back up.
She's being its regular piece of crap self.
Order filled.
Okay.
CVNA might hold.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at CVNA go. Ugh, I hate that daily, dude. Mine coming in the first spread.
I got in.
Good luck, sir.
Should have covered.
PDD all the way back down. Son of a-
Order filled.
TVNA, Carvana getting
Plug
up out
starts.
here. Charlie Victor, November Alpha. $5.08, up 5% now. Charlie Victor, November Alpha.
Order cancelled. Order partially filled.
Dollar on way.
Order filled.
Obey the rules, man. PDD doesn't have the volume.
MLGO, Alton on his circuit breaker. Michael Lima Golf Oscar.
I just covered it.
Want a winner chicken dinner?
Yeah.
I just
I would have liked to have held it longer, but it kept going down and like popping right back up another 5-10 cents. And I was like, no, done.
I just freaking forced myself to quit watching PDD with no volume over here, just dancing back and forth. I'm like, no.
I just pulled up WV and I go, oh, that looks similar to what CVNA did. And then I looked at the volume, it had 190,000. I said, no, I'm good.
CMND resuming now. Charlie Michael November Delta.
SoFi's going. A little bit.
Reports that the Apple Store is having issue. Appears the Apple Store is down.
Order partially filled. Order filled. Order cancelled.
Anything, boys?
Watching SoFi, but it needs to get to 5 to make it interesting. Got good volume.
Ricky came back in and then be talking with you guys all trading and stuff.
PLGRND2.
SoFi, huh?
It needs more range though.
Yeah, agree.
But I actually like the way it looks. I don't like what it's doing now.
Tim still fighting this plug, or did he get out?
Still on it.
Asterisk plug. Taking it. Small dollar. IMMX small long.
Hmm.
Carat dollar on way.
Order filled.
So 5, but not enough range for them.
Yeah, I'm trying to teach myself to be patient today. It's not easy sometimes, man. I
Plug
wanna
some
jump in a
weak.
trade, but I don't see anything I like, so. Pulling a Thomas. On my hands that I'll sit. Alright, there goes LI trying to go back up. I haven't figured out what that's doing yet.
Order cancelled.
Oh shit. Sorry.
SoFi's back up.
This is why you don't do double tops. You end up in stupid situations. Could have been in the driver's seat on both of these trades had I just waited.
On LI, which I don't understand.
Instead, I'm playing with being an idiot,
down?
just trying to get back down to my
Yeah, but
average.
how's it red?
Where my
So it
average
opened
would
up
have been
higher
take
than the
profit.
other candle. Alright, that's just so confusing.
Maybe because of the wick on the other one? I
Yeah,
don't know.
maybe. Like, I don't know, man. It's a weird ass candle. Alright, this KYMR is becoming super uneventful for me.
Yeah, I took that one off already.
I'm gonna set an alert on it just in case it decides to get volume. I'll let you know if it triggers, because if it does, you'll be interested. Because that means it went up pretty high. Damn, man. Ooh, AMD with a hit.
IMMX trail.
What you in, Thomas?
He's fully muted in Discord.
No, are we working? Or is it in trade and didn't want to hear anything? AMD, man, that's a funky.
Momo's up, but I don't like it.
Order filled.
AGL, Citron Research, tweeting AGL is the topic of a critical note from
You at least got a trade, man. I haven't pulled the
CFRA
trigger today.
Research that questions AGL accounting and ability to account for medical
Like,
costs.
I guess at the right spot because it's basically just chopping higher and going right
On
basically
top
where.
of Golf Lima note from Citron Research.
Hmm. Why is D-Dog up today?
Order
Is that
partially
news or
filled.
something?
Order filled.
MLGO resuming trade.
You say
Michael Lima Golf Oscar.
D-Dog?
Yeah.
Order filled.
Delta OG.
Yep.
Price upgrade.
You got any
LNT
ads on
plug.
this plug,
Yeah.
Tim?
Yeah, I'm down to
CPI
leftovers. Ooh,
Yeah, CPI is what did it for them.
Order filled.
all out there.
No, really.
Yeah.
All out.
I don't know what D-Dog is.
It's a software data
We-
company.
Well, I took a first entry I probably shouldn't have there on plug, and I mean, I still made money, but I could have made way more.
Yeah.
Yeah,
but
I was
you-
just about to say that trade doesn't look like it turned out to be what you wanted it to be. I know you're not normally looking for fights like that.
It was actually fine. It kept coming down and giving me small take profit, like at break even. So I was taking it because it wasn't what I wanted, and I realized it pretty
Yeah.
quick. So I actually managed it really well. So there is that, I guess, silver lining.
Yeah.
I was gonna try to hold leftovers for like low a day, but it made that quick drop, so I just took it, and it was bouncing right off of yesterday's high. Or at least tried to anyway. Now it'll probably go low a day.
Plug trails.
Is that WVE again, Jag? I think you said you had shares on that one.
Actually, in it. I just
Good
got
luck,
in.
sir.
Thank you.
So SB 2858 is what the real line says. After commissions 23. So $5, $6, 550, whatever. Not too bad, considering. I definitely should have tried to hold it, even though I was down to leftovers. My issue is I took these shares off too quick, just because I didn't want to. That fake out breakout should have been a
TSLA
sign that
scoop.
we were doing this, and it's my own fault for getting out as early as I did. My first take profit should have been here. This take profit should have been here, and then I'd still be holding this last little bit for this. So that's my own fault. But like I said, I shouldn't have started it where I did here. I should have been, this should have been my first entry. But it is what it is. It was a pretty decent move up to that double top here. So I took a shot at it being a little fake out breakout through that area. And that was my own fault. That was just dumb. Such a scam? What is such a scam?
WHO's Mike Ryan says COVID-19 was spreading intensively in China because control measures were not stopping the disease.
$15.28 sold half of $15.18. Rest $15.26 ended up with $3 after commissions. So you made 10. Or wait, sold it, so 50. So you made 5. And another dollar, so 6. So you made $6. You had 3 tickets. You made $3. I mean, it's not horrible. Imagine if you were trading with CMEG or any of the offshore brokers, it's $3 every ticket. So you would have lost money. You would have lost $3. But again, I mean, it's kind of part of it.
$.
WHO's Ryan says challenge China faces concerns adequate vaccination levels.
SB, I'm going to agree with you on that one. Addedly is very good at pushing, and I appreciate Addedly for being that person because I need him in my life. But when you're not sure if you're profitable, etc., just yet, then you're 100% right. You should be using smaller size.
Why?
I had to bail out a plug because my boss walked in.
What is it? Diet?
You'll see my chart. I bailed out because he walked.
Did you bail out for a loss?
I bailed out for a loss, and then when I came back, it started making its drop. So I chased it, jumped back in, made everything back, but $5. Not happy.
At least you made everything back. Look at the bright side, man.
Except for $5.
Well, $5 is not a big deal.
Just take it out of my pocket.
Just take it out of your pocket, put it back in, bro. That's not a big deal. Boss came in, dude. That's part of the risk you take trading from work. You know that.
Yeah. I know,
And what? 16 more days?
Yeah.
17.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, dude, you came back from it. Move on. It's all good. You'll be all right. I think you'll survive this one. I got a feeling. At least you made it back, except for $5. One more good trade, you'll make that back. Life's good. No stress, man. No stress. G-Dog sucks.
Oh, incoming AJ to blow us all out of the water.
He's taking 5 billion trades.
Not yet.
I don't get this dude's method yet.
Oh, he's trading. He's trading just like me and Thomas do, but so think of me, Thomas, and Jag all mixed together, and that's AJ.
Is that what he does?
Yeah.
We share things, and he ends up taking them. We don't take them.
Yeah. Like a lot of things will be like, oh, we're watching it. He's probably already in it, and he's not afraid to get some ads. I mean, look at his top chart that he posted on Plug. Like he had ads just sitting out there waiting.
TMB's room or no?
No. I think he joined at one point, and did kind of like his little period of that he was in there, and he's not in there anymore.
He realized he's better than B and said, "I'm out."
I don't think that was the case.
I think so, man. That dude's probably trading billions of shares. You don't know.
IMMX lovely.
We don't know.
We do not know.
That's true. We don't know. When it comes to you, Tim,
Dude
I'm
could
with
just
Addedly.
be
I'm
some
pushing
bored
you.
billionaire
You got
who's
11%
like,
profits
hang
every
out
month. That's above
these
100% a year.
days.
Go bigger. Yeah, I'm working on it, man. I don't have the backup power, and I'm pushing lately. I was trying to make $30 a day not that long ago, and now I'm making $30 a
Tim
trade.
could be faking the
So,
funk with his, like,
I just need more
$80, $100
opportunities.
Wins, and he's really making millions. We don't know.
I mean, like yesterday, I mean, $30 a trade on both
He's
of them,
doing
basically.
reverse,
So if I get 4 of those, I'm up over, that's $120.
What do you call that stuff where they
We're just not
fake
getting
things and
that.
make them look different than they are. Oh my god.
So it's
man,
just a
crazy.
matter of
No, what's it called?
finding the
Like,
opportunities.
They funk up their charts. What is that?
Oh, I forget.
Come on, Tim, you know what it is. What is it called?
Or-
when
Yeah, I wasn't listening.
you fix charts, like you change them, you put your arrows differently.
Photoshop?
or- Photoshop. He's doing reverse Photoshop. He's making it look worse than he actually does. Tim actually makes millions of dollars. He's just fucking with y'all.
You still in that WVE?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
WVE? We have shares in that now?
Was plug green for you, Tim? Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, like I said, I wasn't happy with those last covers, but I kind of put myself in that situation, so with taking that first entry.
Oh, we were both in the same boat. I think I was at 30.
Yeah, I was just mad at myself for taking that first entry because as it was coming up to it, I was like, it's a double top. And then it went through and it started to struggle. And I was like, maybe it's just going to struggle here and go right back down into that range. And I didn't want to miss it. So I took smaller size. But then it started going and I was like, I knew it. I'm such an idiot. But those are the exact ones I've been talking about where I wouldn't normally trade that at all until it made that bigger move. So in this one instance where it did actually make the bigger move and I just had to manage it instead of just being free and clear with a top tick, I was happy to see that I managed it well. So again, silver lining.
Silver linings for both of you today. Thomas made his loss bad. Tim managed his bad entry. Nice. Okay. XPEV, son of a B, dude.
And the only reason I didn't cut it at high of day was because it still hadn't really tried to pull back yet. So I was like, I'm gonna see if it wants to run. And I was down to much smaller size at that point. So even if it did run, I knew I could, hammer it again if I had to. And the halt price constantly being only like 30, 40 cents above where it was, like, kind of had me confident that we were going to be okay.
I'm gonna see if somebody's gonna make me feel better on this, and the range sucks. But XPEV, do we have any shares?
Surprisingly, we have plenty.
Really? How many do you see?
10,000.
Oh, 10,000. Okay, I figured.
That sounds like
That's plenty for you, right?
Yeah, you only want a few hundred, right?
Nah, I probably wouldn't jump in anything like that little. Just because I see 50K, but I'm normally like when I see that little, I don't look at them.
STNG, pretty big move. Volume sucks, spread sucks.
Jag's favorite.
It's a Jag special.
STNG low vol slash spreading.
Mad gainer, dude. Look at that thing. Been going straight up for months.
Yeah, on the daily. It's pretty crazy.
I wouldn't expect that one to just die today.
Never looking for overall. Sorry, I already missed it. See, it's like, why can't I pull some of those up, get in it, and it just give back the entire move in a couple of seconds? Like, it's always the ones that I pull up and I'm like, and then it's just like, oh, well, I guess I don't have to worry about it because it already gave it back. Nice SB. That was a little spready. I don't even know if I would have got filled with the low volume and the spread. I would have had to try to get on the ask. TCOM was trying, but I would have wanted much more out of that one. I was trying to double top from yesterday.
China says China will improve. China State Media says China will improve public health system, improve the normalized epidemic prevention and control measures, strengthen energy infrastructure, and optimize construction of 5 major coal supply bases.
TCOM trying again.
TCOM up.
TCOM.
Want much more.
Yeah, I'd want 35 at this point. Maybe even through 35.
Yeah, to be expected. Volume is pretty crappy.
SNTI 14K.
You gonna trade the Fed speech, TT? Cool.
That RNA up earlier. Someone could get a little crazy.
China will strengthen construction of energy.
This RNA could get a little crazy.
Accelerate construction of water conservancy
RNA.
infrastructure and improve network of logistics infrastructure.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
state media.
Going right into that 200 though.
RNA could get a little crazy.
Coming up at 10:30, crude and gasoline inventories. Crude inventories a draw of 3.595 million.
Someone mentioned it earlier.
Gasoline a build of 2.714 million, and distillates a build of 2.517 million expected.
What's the float on RNA? It feels lower than it says.
Have you looked at our float checker page?
Did there now?
What ticker?
It says 50 mil. RNA. Just feels like it's the way it's trading. It just feels a little lower than that.
I have 49.1.
Yeah. Jag, you got shares on SNTI?
IMMX, Imix
No, I do not.
Biopharma shares now at $2.36, up 62%.
That one looks like it could be good.
It secured exclusive rights to the blood cancer therapy NXC 201. That's India Michael X-ray.
SNTI if you got M would be watching.
Yeah, if this RNA kind of holds above 1550, I got a feeling that one's going to go a little wackadoo. Still in that one, Jag?
Yeah.
I'm interested in this RNA, man. If it really
Just going
can get
sideways.
Push. You can do with a tight stop.
CJJD 19K. West Northwest curling up, 170 KTB. Carrot up.
Limit orders or stop limit? So my stop orders are market orders when I put them out. Everything else I use is a limit order, unless I'm really looking to get in.
Haha or not.
Look at the spread on this WNW. Oh, looks like it was a good cut, Jag, at least.
Yeah.
WNW. It's a $2 stock with a 20-30 cent spread.
Oh, nice. That sounds right up my alley. Volume. has
China
a lot
State
to be
Media says
desired
China will
today, huh?
expand two-way trade and investment, improve diversified investment and financing system.
Dang, real good cut on WVE. Might want to watch it to get back in through 6. Or are you already back in?
I'm back in.
I kind of figured that since you didn't say anything. Where'd you get in at?
I'm in at 580.
Still a good spot. I would assume you'll get that 560 area retest.
I am hoping.
Oh my god. Kind of a painful day. Kind of like that RNA, dude, if it would have gotten a little more of a push.
I think you're still going to get it as long as it holds this 1550 area.
Possible. I got it up. I see like so much
It's consolidating.
resistance up here, though. It's definitely something I like. I don't see this thing going over 17. That would be a feat.
Yeah, that 17 area on the daily is a pretty major area.
Yeah. So if we can get a push them to like 16 over the high of pre-market, you know?
There you go, Jag.
That one might be interesting.
It got down. I had an order out. I didn't fill it. I went back up.
What? Where was your order?
560.
Button around
Look,
the
Jag, you should know better when I say a certain area. Always go a couple pennies above it.
Yeah, it was at the night. Be good.
That's too funny.
Might want to watch
Just-
W, Jag. It seems like you as well.
You should have shares on W, huh?
Yeah, just don't have the volume from you, too.
Yeah. Starting
Ooh,
to
we got
curl.
low shares on that too, and lower. That's way fair.
Trust me, I'm fighting FOMO.
On W.
Yeah, because I'm down $5.
I didn't mean to laugh at you.
They're all gonna laugh at you.
AMST,
I'm gonna
MSI
laugh at
announcing
you.
response to NIST RFI for potential semiconductor manufacturing USA.
You did say you're fighting FOMO over
Institutes.
$5 though, so it deserved a little bit of a laugh.
It does. It does. Because I would be telling you, are you fucking kidding me?
You throw $5 away every day
Observe
just
LK
buying
Water
something
Solutions
stupid at the
shares,
gas station. That ain't a big deal, bro.
dropping here down about 4%.
As a sponsor in the beginning.
If you lost $5 out of your wallet, you would not be crying.
ZWS.
It's an okay push
Walmart
on that
debuts text
W.
messaging
Yeah,
ordering
that's how it gets up to 42.20
from
right
Bloomberg,
now.
Whiskey Michael
Kind of with you on
Tango.
that one. You can see that doing something. Gotta get a little vroom vroom. Now, see, this one I don't mind. This one I like. Because of where it is on the daily.
Watching W.
But the volume sucks.
Dare I ask, Jack?
No, I'm still with it.
What's the stock?
I'm about ready to just cut it and be fucking done with my life.
You cannot be done with your life.
You can be done with the trade.
Yes.
You can be done
Those
with the
fishies need
trade,
you.
but not your life, bro.
No, Jag.
Your fish will die.
It's true.
Nobody loves them the way you do. Your
No, but-
chickens. Think about the chickens.
Think about
White
the
House's
children.
piece says increase
Oh, wait.
Where are they going to get their meatballs, Jag?
Yeah,
Where are they going to get
meatballs,
their meatballs?
the Cheetos, the chicken nuggets.
CVNA, Tim.
Santa needs to come for Christmas. I believe that Santa might be you.
No, it's not me. They would know me.
With the
CVNA up.
Some of them, not all of them. Some of them.
You don't think you could trick them?
No, not anymore.
Happy
Some of them
face.
are too smart.
Gotcha. Smart bastards. Oh my god, dude, all these charts look the same to me.
Order filled.
And it's crap all around.
Took a very small stab on CVNA, only because it's this close to the halt.
Got RNA up. Thomas, you might want to get that one up. YouTube.
I'm not trading RNA. I told you that one feels propped.
I feel that one's gonna die.
As it spikes through high a day.
Not now. It's got to go up first.
Oh, when it goes to 17? Okay.
Yes. Yeah, this is what I wanted to do. Playing right into my plan.
Small there re CVNA.
Could we try to maximize this a little? Just looking for the quick little scalp, but kind of holding up. Wow, that was quite the move on RNA. We knew it was coming. Stupid CVNA, 2 cents. Love it.
China will strengthen land and sea oil and gas development. That's from state media.
Order cancelled.
promote stable production of shale gas and increase the scale of shale oil development. WHO's Ryan says has an open channel with China. They are open to engagement. We are helping China, providing technical advice.
I drew that line at 1714 on RNA. That bitch went right to it. It's funny. Are you in this, Devin?
1710.
Oh, I know. I drew it on the daily, so I wasn't being exact. Just saw that key area pretty much all the way across.
On Investor Day, the company's CEO says we have embedded in key financial metrics assumption that contract deal with pilots will be ratified. That on their Investor Day call. That's Delta Alpha Lima.
Order cancelled.
Yeah, I took CVNA off.
Order
I'm not
filled.
messing with this.
S&P futures right now,
Took it off.
4078.
Not what I wanted.
50.
Of course, it missed me by a penny. I had my order sitting at 33. It went to 34.
He didn't trigger me, so I'm not in it.
Senate Majority Leader Schumer says Senate could pass one-week government funding bill as soon as Thursday.
On these ones, I'm backside all the way, bro. It'll come. This one's interesting though.
Look at it go.
Thomas, you in this?
Which one?
RNA?
It doesn't sound
No,
like
I'm not touching that.
Why are you guys afraid of this one? Not a low floater. This is like you guys all over it.
Just feels propped, man. I've been watching it all morning.
I'm just gonna wait for the backside. Once it comes, I'm whacking this motherfucker.
I mean, if it got up towards the hot price, I'd be a little more interested.
I don't like that because that's gonna open up at the whole $1.50 higher, and I'm gonna die. I'm gonna be mad. I know how that goes. I've been there, done that one. I don't have luck with
Delta
this
Airlines
whole.
CEO says there's $300 billion of missing demand we had over the last 3 years. That's Delta Alpha Lima.
This isn't a low floater. It's kind of crazy it's moving this much. Is this news?
Yeah, it obviously had something in the morning.
Just PSA. Still working longs re-RNA. Prob not a short yet.
It's not gonna get me in right now. News. 3 hours ago.
Some kind.
Some sort of data phase half.
Healthcare.
Whatever that is. Not even phase 1. RNA medicine again. So back to the RNA.
Citing early data. Dose proportional, increases in muscle robust, blah, blah, blah. Here's addition.
EFE,
Blah, blah, blah.
Pfizer getting
Lots of
a pop
medical
here,
terms.
Papa Foxtrot Echo. 54.85.
I think the fact that it's phase half
PFE.
is way presumptuous that this is going to be up high forever.
I think this is them trying to get some kind of offering.
Money. Yeah. It's a money chase, man. This thing will be back down at $12.
I don't think I've ever heard them come out with quote unquote early data. Like, why wouldn't you
Dude,
just
not even
wait?
phase one, it's phase half.
Sounds like an offering in the making.
Yeah, I mean, dude, if they're on phase half, imagine how much money they got to raise before they're going to be done. But I cannot jump on this thing ahead of schedule, so let it run. My alert set.
Well, it went way through my
Coming up
mind.
in 10 minutes.
Yeah, I'm gonna honestly
Crude and
went to where
gasoline
I mean, I had
inventories.
this 1681 to 1711.
Crude a
I mean,
draw
she
of
tried to.
2.595 million expected.
It tried to bounce there, but it didn't
Distillates,
really.
a build of
Didn't worth mentioning.
2.517. Gasoline inventories, a build of 2.714.
I mean, it literally failed there, like at the 1711, then went
That's
straight
coming
back
up
up.
at
But
10:30
I had it.
Eastern
I
time.
had to go below 1650, and then I would have been interested because that's where it first caught. Kind of keeps me out of these when I wait for that first fail, you know.
For me, it
Probably
never
so.
even finished like a fast move yet either. It's all been kind of grindy.
I mean, these
I mean, look at
peaks
the-
are way bigger than anything else on the day on the.
Well,
morning,
yeah, but if you've been watching them, they weren't like spikes up kind of thing.
Yeah, I got you.
They were just kind of par for course for how it's been moving all day.
Plug trying to go back up. Nah, everything looks shitty to me. AMD. Come back down. What are you watching, Jag? Anything?
I'm still in this stupid fucking trade.
What are you in? What is it?
UBE.
WBE?
Yeah.
Let's replace. God, I can replace any of these stocks with it because they all suck.
Delta Airlines CEO says don't think demand is going to run out for an extended period of time. Says assumption for 2023 is based on flat GDP. CEO says expects $30 billion of travel spending next
I'm
year.
gonna take a bathroom break, guys. I'll
That's
be
Delta
back.
Lima at their investor day.
Oh, fuck me.
When and where?
602 or something like that. Wasn't terrible, but it would get right down to me and then say, oh, no.
Yeah, that looks like an annoying one. It just kind of consolidated.
Yeah, right at my average.
Sorry,
Other
Broski.
than that one time that I had the order, it was a penny off or 2 pennies off of me.
Yeah,
Did
that's
you
how that
take it off for a
CVNA
loss?
was.
Yeah, I'm out.
I heard you say F me, but I didn't hear what else happened.
What did I miss?
RNA is going wild.
RNA is going wild. That does not look like something fun to be in. Hopefully, no one's in it.
No, Somebody's in it.
Got room to 25.93. Okay. What else we got?
Jag was in WVE. We have no shares on that one.
He's in RNA.
What's that?
AJ's in RNA.
I figured AJ would be, and I bet you B would be.
What's your average?
AJ's.
AJ?
Oh, not heavy.
What's it? What's his average?
I don't think AJ hears us, does he?
Through YouTube, he hears us.
Yeah, you're just
Oh, I was wondering how he like responds when I don't see him in the room ever.
He's at 1807 average.
I'll give you the games for each of the teams here.
Good luck, AJ.
Vash is like, yeah, that's going
Maybe
to
have
30.
a look at the
Good
lunch
luck,
menu
buddy.
for today. I'm not sure what we even have for lunch today. Let's see.
Did
What was his average?
WVE do you dirty, Jag?
Not terribly dirty, but dirty enough.
You weren't at 570. You weren't at 570, were you?
First, I was in at 528. I added, and then I got out at 560. Then I added back in and got my average to 580, and it would play with my 580 average, and then decided.
Oh, I know what I'm
586,
eating.
so I said 5.
I forgot my mom got this for me last night.
Oh man, I'm sorry.
That's all right. The worst is that they play with my average and say, "Ah."
It's a product of Canada. It says it's fully cooked.
you again.
Yeah, looks like
that?
all the price targets there are up to $7 on it.
Preheat oven. 10
For whatever
minutes,
that's
cooking-
worth.
Oh, I need to start this. Preheat it for
RNA
10
over
minutes.
19 now.
Place tray. Cook for 25 minutes.
Vesh, you might be right. That $30 isn't far away.
For which one?
RNA.
Yeah, this one
Yeah,
was.
where you sarcastically said good luck. Devin, come on. Devin, this is definitely a long for you. This is definitely buy a high, hope higher.
Only, I mean, if I bought it at 1580s, 1590s, maybe 16.
No.
Yeah.
No. Buy it for the $20 break.
No.
You want the confirmation that it's going up. Wait another $5.
It's a Ross Cameron special.
I just can't believe how well these
Coming
the
up,
shares have held up.
inventories, a draw of 3.595 million expected. Distillates, a build of 2.517 million. And gas
WVE isn't even fast, dude. That thing sucks, huh?
0.714 million expected.
That one sucks since the
grinding.
beginning.
I just got back in because I was.
Mad at it.
It was stupid.
Like, I'm gonna get my money back.
Yeah.
You son of a bitch. And it said, no, you're gonna give me more. It's all
That's why I'm so hesitant right now.
Yeah, you don't want the market to take more than your $5.
Yeah, that's why I'm so hesitant right now.
Yep, here's the $20 break coming. Get ready to jump
next
in.
level's kind of like up like 22-ish. Like I could see that happening, but I ain't long on it.
You know, they called you no balls Devin in high school.
That's what they called me.
Edible? Honestly, I haven't looked at it. Oh no, definitely not.
Are you long?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's what
long
she
and
said.
strong.
That's what she said.
That's what she
What they
never
called you in
said.
high school.
That's what you wanted her to say.
No,
That's
no.
what
She
you
said, "Are you
dreamed of
long?"
yourself.
I answered no. No,
Yeah.
she said,
She
"Are you
did.
long?"
She
I
did
answered
ask.
no.
It is true. She asked. I mean, I had to tell her the truth, but absolutely not. Very short.
Crude
That
a
was the
bill
first thing
of
she said was, "Are you
10.2
long?"
million. Gasoline a bill of 4.5 million. Distillates a bill of 1.4 million. Again, crude.
Boy,
a
that
bill
looks like a
of
picture being
10.2
painted right there, huh? RNA.
This is a draw of 3.
AJ, where are you at, man? You still 1807?
Crude is dipping on that.
All right, let's see what we really think about this RNA.
What about those candles now, Devin? You think they still look grindy or not grindy?
I mean, they're big candles, but straight up, it's extended as fuck.
We need it to dip down to 18 for us real quick. Well, we don't care what it does after that.
Where boys at?
At 1840 now.
Gasoline inventory is also coming in well.
If we can
above
break
expectations,
1898,
and,
I
crude
see
now
1704.
76.12, pulling back on that data.
I think 18 is a good spot just because that's where it tried to run into some resistance. That's where the last red candle was.
I got some fib lines drawn on it now.
Well, 19 is the
There's
first
wolves
area
here.
we need.
Oh boy, no.
Let's go, AJ.
Oh, I should unlock my montage in case I do want to trade.
Oh yeah, you'd be looking for the backside here, right?
Possibly. Feel the conviction.
The break at 19 is where there's probably a lot of
Yeah.
shorts that would probably jump in. So they
Oh,
might
they
break
got a hole.
19 to liquidity grab.
Got a whole lot of backside here possibility.
Oh yeah, I mean this thing could end up down at 16. Problem is you got to run out of buyers.
It could end up red on the day.
Oh yeah,
I
easily.
don't like where that opened.
Now, this is a piece of shit.
Well, and we're almost positive this is some kind of offering crap going on. Not positive,
Yeah,
obviously.
but
This is not trading or investing advice. But
Unfortunately, offerings on biotech sometimes make
That never happened.
except when I'm short waiting for the offering.
this is one where you might just have to kind of eat it for a bit, just waiting for it.
Not trading advice.
BAL Delta Company CEO says
Definitely not trading advice. I already said that.
2023
But for any of you
Why-
that are
why
just
you
tuning
still
in,
Vesh, I was reading the
Going
Zach
to your,
Morris thing and I didn't see your name listed
flowing
there. What
hiring
happened?
is
How'd
going
you
to move more to
squeak
production.
under that?
well, I simply say this is not trading advice every single time.
You know, if you say it every time, you probably don't mean it.
No, you say it every time to cover your ass.
Why do you wink in the YouTube channel when you say it's not trading
Crude
advice? What does that
stocks
wink mean?
increasing by the largest amount
It's-
since
it's just a
March
twitch.
2021.
It's a twitch.
This is not trading advice. Buy here.
Crude continuing to pull back now, 75.94.
We really needed that 19 break. It's not good.
It's not good. Devin, now this test here and it fails. That's you, huh?
Maybe. I don't know, man. This is
ooh,
an hour
go.
and a half into the, or an hour into the day, and I don't have a trade in.
I got you. I got you.
I'm a little not sure if this is gonna be my first one.
If it's your trade, why wouldn't it be?
This isn't really my trade. This is a little bit of I like weakness, not strength. This is a little too much strength, in my opinion.
It's really getting shoved down here, these last few candles.
Yeah,
But
overall, this is
yeah,
strength.
yeah, no, I agree.
Yeah,
This is
this
not
is
a
not
normal
our
chart.
Come on, Devin, no Gertz.
Yeah, you want to see a
will have no
RNA
Gertz.
chart? Here, let me show you one.
I am gonna have no Gertz.
Yeah, those are all longs.
Oh, I know.
That's insane. Insano.
She's holding that 19.
There you go,
pretty strong,
Devin.
too.
That's how you should have traded it.
Is that B's chart?
Good lord.
Yeah, he's been longing it all day.
He's been longing it?
Yeah, those are all longs.
And B flipped.
He
That's not what
called
you
it.
want.
He called it like at the bell, before the bell.
That's not what you want to hear. If
Yeah,
you're
at-
short at 1840.
At 8 o'clock this morning, Eastern, he said it. He said VLON RNA dips to rips, probably the right idea.
Woo.
That 22 is looking like it's gonna happen. Yeah, no short for
Sorry,
me.
AJ.
Not long this high.
Damn, tough trade, AJ.
Yeah, that one didn't really pull back at all.
Sorry, brother.
Did he bail?
Later, man.
Yeah, the max loss. Great.
This is definitely a crazy one. I mean, I was saying it down at 15 that it felt propped.
Dude, it never gave a backside sign either. Every time it held an area, it held that area. And then never gave it up.
Right, yeah, like every time it attempted a pullback, it just went higher. It never tried to retest that area.
I always look for that first pullback area if it goes fast to see if it holds, and they all held. It never even showed a sign of weakness.
The only sign of weakness I thought we had there was on that 1028 candle. It had the most volume it had all day, but didn't really go up through high of day. So usually that's a good sign that it's gonna be the top, which it was. That was the hardest it tried to go lower, but the buyers just kept stepping in.
Remember that first pullback was 1904-ish. It never went below it. Kind of retested it. And just said nope. I was waiting for the 19 break and then see if it tried to push back up and fail it, and then I'd maybe take a shot.
This would be one David would be glad he's in Mexico.
Oh, 100%. He would have max sauced this one hard.
Oh, David. You can't max loss it hard. I mean, max loss is max loss. It would be a harder max loss.
He would have max lost more.
He would have max lost more than his max loss. I'm hungry.
Are you?
I am. This thing's obeying fib lines like a mofo though. 2213 I'm calling us. Not trading.
Why don't you call that with 100 shares?
No, because I don't feel comfortable doing that. Is that a good enough reason?
Nope. Your money.
It is the reason. Fed day, something going crazy. Not my jam. And the thought of making $200 and then the thought of losing $200 just doesn't make sense. Who is doing that? I'm back.
There's the pullback.
We made some money on RNA.
Nice. Nice. I wanted to get in above 21, but didn't get there.
Reuters reported Tesla TSLA
An order out there a little over 21.
Supply and expansion of its electric vehicle plant near Berlin, according to local authorities.
My average was
That's Tango Sandy Lima
2030.
DAL Delta CEO says expects January will be significantly better
On the
than
backside or
December
on the?
in
You
terms
wrote
of
it up.
revenue. That's
50 cents.
DAL.
On that way up. Then I put some orders out and it came down and took them out, so I was happy.
There you go. Are we already on the backside now?
I don't know.
Leafy got symptoms sick.
That's why I put those orders in. But I'm back to even for the day, so that's good.
There you go.
What's up, Dunmont?
RNA.
Did I miss him? Oh,
Yeah,
What?
Oh, you jumped on that?
Yep. So now I'm
One
even.
thing they don't call Jag is they don't call Jag no balls.
I had an
Call
order
Jag
over
some
21, but it didn't get there.
Because I was debating on going long on it, and then I'm like, then it did that pop, and I go, oh, I missed it. Just
No.
I'd like to see it go back up to 21, but look at WVE. That thing's fucking crazy. It's over 650 now.
You're not selling that RNA, are you?
No, I got it all out. I posted it.
Delta Airlines president says expects February to be better than
I don't have the
January,
room up there.
March to be better than February in terms of revenue.
I hear you guys. I don't look at pictures.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. My average was 2032. I covered some at 2003 and then 1973.
I don't think I'd put it up if I had an extra chart. I just don't see the point in staring at that. It doesn't do anything for the market today. I think I'd have more charts up possibly.
Well, I have it minimized, and then I just open it up every once in a while just to see what's going on.
That's what I do. I keep it minimized, and then I, when I'm slow and I'm not looking at anything, I'll peek on it.
Look at the SPY.
What's it doing out of curiosity?
Back to high day. 404.27.
Oh, look at her go. Oh, let me put this on a bigger chart here and see where we're at. It is at my resistance level yet again, dude. Yesterday it failed off this resistance line I have like so many times. It's right here, like at 450. I don't think it's gonna get above it. Not trading advice.
What if that's ever held up in court?
I don't know. Probably not. I don't have a room, so I'm good.
Doesn't matter if you're part of it.
I'm not part of this room.
Pretty positive on how that would work.
Under that moderator tab, I'm trying that makes them liable.
You're an admin, buddy.
Hey, I have no control over that. He could make anybody he wants that. This is all that. She's an evil master.
Yeah, that's what they said that they tried that one too with the mafia.
So all it takes, Devin, is to go back into the
mafia?
logs. All it takes is going back into the logs and seeing you make one administrative action, whether it's kicking somebody, banning somebody.
Oh yes, he did kick somebody. Oh shit.
So that would be proof that you knew you were an admin.
Devin.
Or moderator, whatever.
I'm out here.
I'm gonna leave this room. Tim, you better not do anything shady, bro.
You also threatened to kick him.
Yeah, I think our peon room is no worries. Oh, somebody
No,
made
I know.
$50. Woo!
Hey,
I
Tim,
never threatened to kick you, Market. That was Tim.
Mr. Tuttle's 10 is Tim.
That was you, Tim. I remember. I don't remember why you pissed you off.
I'll go
You were
get Mr.
screaming.
Tuttle's 10 to kick you.
Because he's
Mr. Tim's son's the one who does all the bad stuff.
If my son knew how to do that stuff, he would totally do it. He's such a dick
Kicking us
sometimes.
all out of here.
He'd try to kick me.
My room now, Dad.
Hey, Dad, you know that multi-million-dollar Discord that you had running? I deleted it last night.
You don't need to rank.
You didn't need that, did you?
Well, you know what? I guess you don't need your life anymore. I made you, boy.
When did we become a multi-million-dollar Discord, though?
Overnight.
That's what I want to know.
I'd like to welcome our newest admin, Zach Boris.
No, I'm out. I gotta go. Please delete me.
I think he just tweeted. What did he say? Something about, at least you can see I held some sort of trade. I don't know.
Tim, can I use your eggs? I have some eggs. Yeah, come get them. First real runner that I can recall for the past several months, yeah.
Tim, remind me to ask you something when we get off stream.
Alexa, remind me to tell Thomas to ask me something at 11:05 a.m.
Remind me to remind Thomas
in the morning
to ask me something after 11:05. Okay.
Alexa, order black cock.
DT, we're still streaming, man. Come on.
RNA, high day.
This thing is nuts, man. No pullback
Not yet.
either. Like, that's not a pullback. That's just a consolidation.
It didn't make it. Now it is. Nope. Go. 2213 incoming.
So, what price do we think the offering is going to be at?
No, $4.
Nah, I'll go with like $11.
$13.50.
I don't think they can do $13.50 because the odds are you're never going to do it at a higher price than where it was when you knew that this was going to probably happen.
So you think it goes all the way back home, basically?
I'm not even saying the price would go all the way back home, but I think the offering has to be somewhere where the price currently was before the move happened. Because isn't that typically how it happens? Which is usually why the price goes back down to where it started. Yeah.
Yeah. Makes sense. You know they're gonna have an offering, though. I mean, most likely.
Oh, that's all this is geared up towards.
I just covered some.
Check. Yeah, you
Well, he did say 21.
And I just covered the rest of it. I got it at 21.11.
This wasn't a void for me from the very beginning, so I ain't even thinking of trading it now. And the worst part is the shares are not, no one's shorting it, at least on IB, because it started with like 530,000 shares and it still has 514,000. So
I'll be right back.
question is, when this starts to have an actual backside, are people gonna start jumping into it? Part of me just wants to short like 10 shares and see what happens. Get that offering, be a decent little win. Did you make it all back, Jack?
S&P futures ticking slightly higher, 4080 now, up 25.25.
Starting to feel heavy now. Even when this pulls back, though, finally, where's it going? 19 again? To make like a little head and shoulders type thing?
I've kind of lost interest in it, man.
Oh, I'm just watching it because there's nothing else to watch.
No, I know. I don't. That's not gonna be my dealio.
Down to the 1950s area and looking for a bounce.
XPEV's getting kind of a crazy push.
So, real estate question. Actually, I'll wait till after the stream.
We have no shares, Devin.
Oh, we don't have any shares in XPEV?
Negative.
Oh, all
Oh
gone.
my god.
Well, remember, we only had like 10,000.
TOS.
Well, isn't that the one you asked us about earlier? And we only had 10,000.
We had some then, but now I guess we're out.
Well, yeah, but it was a real small amount.
Yeah. It's crazy because XPEV we always have shares on.
I was just telling, just in case you felt froggy.
Yeah, I was watching it, man, on TOS.
Yeah, you could have tried. Probably
Done
just wouldn't have
messing with
failed.
RNA. It's all
Jack, did you get back
yours.
in WVE?
We don't have
Yes,
shares
sir.
in that one either.
Oh, he did, though. It finally died.
Thanks, but no thanks.
This WVE feels
Thank
like
you.
what RNA is going to do. Wait, are these related? Those charts kind of look similar.
GOTU up. Needs the go go go.
Ba-bum, bum, 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 bum.
Man. What you looking at, Tomas?
I'm laughing because I know you want to.
What, XPEV?
RNA.
Oh, I'm not even looking at RNA. No, I would not want to short it here. It is not.
It's finally
for me,
breaking
man.
down.
It'd have to be below 1898 and hold.
I'd want to see it come down to 19, retest 1950 and fail. That's what I'd be looking for. And then the entry for me, if you're really looking backside, would be the break of 19 after it retested 1950.
I'd jump in here on the fail of this pop.
I would like it to fail 19, retest it, and fail. the end. That's the only way I'm trading that. Only way.
Right, because then that's the obvious backside.
Because then I know I have a high of 19. I know that's my out. You know. Other than that, I don't know where my out is. 22.13. That's where I think it could go. I'm doing my hands today probably. This sucks.
What I said was not trading advice, by the way.
Neither was what I said. Are we just gonna say that over and over again? What you should do is just like on the Discord, like to join it. Can you have that like a deal where you say this is just for educational purposes only, or these are our views only, and should not be taking this trading advice? I don't know if you can do that or not. But like a disclosure to join.
Yeah. I mean, if you ever had a paid room, you would have disclosures that they would have to read, or at least say they read before they can even come in the room.
If it's not paid, can they even really do anything? Well, I guess, because they go after people just on Reddit.
Yeah.
I mean, like, does that Zach Morris have a paid room? I have no clue.
They can pretty much do whatever they want unless it's legal binding. A lot of that stuff isn't legal binding.
What do you mean?
Just signing an agreement in Discord isn't legal binding.
I suppose it was not like notarized and all that
It's
stuff.
not necessarily notarized. It just has to be more official. Written up by an official.
Basically, no matter what you do in this market, if they decide you're doing something shady, they can come after you.
Yeah, pretty much.
I mean, it is the government, so I would assume that's probably the truth.
Even stuff that's notarized doesn't necessarily hold up in court. I've dealt with that stuff before.
It wouldn't surprise me.
I view more of it as just don't give them a reason to come after you.
For sure. That's my viewpoint on
If you're
all that kind of stuff.
You got to be pretty. They're not going to waste their time coming after
Small
a few
potatoes.
$1,000 here or there.
Yeah.
The millions that they want.
All right, guys, I'm gonna end the stream. If you guys want to join the Discord, feel free. Links down below. Gonna go start making my lunch, which is gonna take like 45 minutes or so, and I'll be back tomorrow morning. Just the 2 trades, nothing too crazy. Plug had to manage his CVNA, didn't really do what we wanted right away, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.